Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see new topic, history of microbiology. Microbiology is the branch of science that studies microorganisms such as bacteria, virus, fungi, algae and protozoa. Its history can be divided into several important periods. First, early observation, 17th century. People know that disease, fermentation and food spoilage occurred, but they did not know the causes. Second, discovery of microorganisms. Robert Hooke in 1665 observed microscopic structures in cork and coined the term cell. Antonie van Leeuwenhoek in 1676 used two simple microscopes to observe bacteria. He is known as the father of microbiology. Third, the golden age of microbiology. 1957 to 1914, Louis Pasteur developed pasteurization and vaccines for rabies and anthrax. Robert Koch identified the bacteria causing tuberculosis, anthrax and cholera. Fourth, development of immunology, late 19th to 20th century. Dimitrich and Martinez discovered viruses while studying tobacco mosaic disease. Fifth, antibiotic era, 20th century. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928. Sixth, modern microbiology, late 20th century. Discovered of DNA structure by James Watson and Francis Crick. Advanced molecular biology. Modern techniques such as PCR, DNA sequencing and CRISPR have transformed microbiological research. Thank you.